Hey guys, it's me, James. It's my first video because my other one didn't turn out good. It was crap. And I have a Lego set for you. I already built it because it would take forever to build it. And it's the Harley Quinn Cannonball Attack. There's 425 pieces and it's ages 7 to 14. And it comes with 4 characters, 2 buildings, and Harley Quinn's cannonball truck. And you can see the characters on there, right? Yeah, so I'm going to show you the truck. So here's the truck. I think it's cool, because I like how there's 2 big wheels here, 2 small wheels here. And yeah, there's this cannon. So you could, here, it's cool, because you could shoot. And it comes with graphics, everything. You can take this off. And Harley Quinn rides it. She's holding a helmet. Well, no, she's wearing one. Because she goes in here. Let me push that out. She goes in here. Let me push it. Okay, see? You see that? She goes, pew! Out. And we could also open this for the flapper. And you could just take out the engine parts, like fixing it. See, that's part of the engine. See? Can you see it? Okay, you guys can't you? Right, yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah, so you guys can see it. It's really cool. Yeah, so that was the truck. And now let me show you one of the buildings. Oops, it drops. Okay. This is the building. So, like, there's an ATM here. Type stuff in. See with TNT here? And this guy, he loves money because he looks like a billionaire, right? But he's not. So he goes there, he plants TNT there, and camera snaps a picture at him. Right? So you do that, and yeah. And I'm going to show you the last one. Okay, so get all the stuff. Where the heck is it? There and there. So this is the second building. The light, and a ladder to get up, and a door. It's cool. And so this is the piece from the movie, if you guys haven't seen it. It makes them go into like the dungeon world. So yeah, it's pretty cool. See? I'm taking pictures of you. Ah! And yeah, so here are the batter rigs. No, should I say girl rigs? Do. And yeah. So she can hold 2 at a time. And ready to fight crime. Whoa. Batman. No, Batgirl. Because Batman's not here, so yeah. So I'm going to show you everything came with it. So the truck itself, it was probably 150 pieces. Even more, right? It was a lot to fix this truck. And I love this truck. I think it's my favorite Lego set yet. Yeah. I think the truck is like the most Lego set I ever built. So that was the truck. Let me show you more of the people. So this guy, he's Ghost, Gentle Man Ghost. He has a top hat because he's a millionaire, but he's actually not. So that's one thing I think he's funny of. And here's Batgirl, you know her, she wear a cape that you can take off her hair, and she'd be like, "Oh God, I'm bald, save me!" And yeah, so you do that. And this guy, I don't like this guy. This is crazy quintuplet or something. Yeah. You know, Harley Quinn, she's here as well. Damn Harley Quinn. She's terrible at her job. And yeah. here are the two buildings. I think they're supposed to be like this, like together. I don't know, but they probably not. It's probably just me. Yeah, they're not supposed to. Never mind. And yeah, that's cool. I like it. I think I'm gonna rate this Lego a 9 out of 10. One thing I wish the houses were better, but they weren't. Not much. But I got it for Christmas, so I can't say no to it. It was a really cool set. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So, bye!